Hello guys, today's topic is an essay, Students and Politics. There is a question what politics is. One has no definition of it. One can restrict it to suit his purpose. There have been debates on the matter whether students should take part in politics or not. Students for themselves have no thought of their own. They follow their seniors in this matter. In a democratic setup, politics become a part and parcel of one's life. Man living in society cannot lead an isolated life. His personal life mixes with the social life at every step. His life is affected by the doings of others and the state. So it is essential that every individual should remain in touch with the happening around him. There are two different views about whether students should take part in politics or not. Some argue that as the students are future of India, they are custodians of the future society. They should be given training from the very beginning of their life. This is the training time for them to learn how to shoulder the future responsibilities of the country. Others argue that the student life is a time for studies and character formation. This is a time to get knowledge. They should devote their energy for their all-round development. The knowledge attained at this time helps him to fight against the reality of life in future. If they take part in politics at this early time, they will have no knowledge to fight against various problems of life in future. No one is sure which of the two arguments is correct, but in the first argument there is danger. It is that the student can be easily exploited as they are not matured enough to evaluate the goods or the bad. There are all responsibilities that they may fall victims to clever politicians. The student of today's talk in favor of his privileges and right and for their achievement stages, demonstrations and strike. He is unable to understand the politics is a means of constructive planning for the progress of the country. This knowledge he can get only by studies, not by politics.